Good day everyone, my name is Sheldon Abad. This is the blended recitation of Article 11 Justifying Circumstances. Number 1. Anyone who acts in defense of his person or right provided that the following circumstances concur. First, unlawful aggression. Second is reasonable necessity of the mean of employee be prevent or repel it. Third is lack of sufficient provocation on the part of the person defending himself. Number 2. Anyone who acts in the defense of the person or right of his spouse, ascendants, descendants, or illegitimate, neutral, or adopted brothers or sisters, or of his relatives by affinity in the same degrees and those by consanguinity within the fourth civil degree, provided that the first and second requisite prescribed in the next preceding circumstances are present and the further requisite in case the provocation was given by the person attacked, that the one making defense had no part therein. Three, anyone who acts in defense of the person or right of a stranger, provided that the first and second requisite mentioned in the first circumstances of this article are present, and that the person defending be not induced by revenge, resentment, or other civil evil motive. Number 4. Any person who, in order to avoid an evil or injury, does an act which causes damage to another, provide that the following requisites are present. First, the evil sought to be avoided actually exists. Second, that the injury feared be greater than that the come to avoid it. Third, that there be no other practical and less harmful means of preventing it. Number 5. Any person who acts in fulfillment of a duty or in a lawful excessive of a right of office. 6. Any person who acts in obedience to an order issued by superior for some lawful purposes. And that's all. Thank you.